Some sounds don't belong to the sea, they don't crash or churn, they don't rise with the wind, they wait beneath it. And when storms move across Long Island Sound, some mariners swear they hear them. Church bells ringing underwater, not calling people in, calling them down. Welcome to Lighthouse Lore by the Last Lightkeepers, a collection of short stories born from the tragedies, hauntings, and mysteries of the world's loneliest lighthouses and coastal landscapes. Today's entry: Church Bells. The Long Island Sound is deceptively calm, but beneath its surface lie reefs and shoals that have torn open ships for centuries. One of the most dangerous is Stratford Shoal, a rocky formation nearly a mile wide, most of it hidden just 9 feet below the waterline. For years, ships struck it without warning, so a lighthouse was ordered, a granite tower strong enough to stand where the sea refused to yield. Stratford Shoal Light was finally lit in 1878. Beautiful, isolated, surrounded by nothing but water and weather. But the shoal had already taken something first. Before the lighthouse existed, a ship called Trustful prepared to leave Bridgeport, its cargo, church bells. A storm was coming. Some of the crew wanted to stay behind. The captain refused. He warned them the bells would peal a dirge for any man who abandoned ship. They sailed anyway. Sudden crash of waves. The storm found them. The shoal found them faster. The Trustful struck rock and sank. Every man aboard drowned, and afterward, in heavy weather, mariners began to hear it. Muted, distant, church bells ringing beneath the waves. Decades later, men were stationed atop that same shoal, alone for weeks at a time. In May of 1905, the head keeper went ashore, leaving Assistant Keeper Morel Hulse and Second Assistant Costa behind. The next night, something changed. Costa flew into a rage. He locked himself in the lantern room, threatened to destroy the light. For a time, he stopped it from rotating entirely. When he emerged, he tried to take his own life. Hulse stopped him. Costa was dismissed days later. A few days after that, he succeeded in ending his life. Afterward, the lighthouse grew violent. Doors slammed without wind, chairs hurled across rooms, posters ripped from walls, hot pans thrown from the stove as if struck by unseen hands. Even after automation in 1969, the noises didn't stop. Mariners passing the light still report banging, grinding, sudden crashes, as if someone inside is still raging against the walls, still trapped, still unheard. And beneath it all, when storms pass over the shoal, the bells continue to ring. Some lighthouses are built to warn sailors away, others mark where it's already too late. At Stratford Shoal, the light stands watch above the waves, while something older tolls below. You've been listening to Lighthouse Lore. Every light casts a shadow, and in every shadow a story. For more stories, visit thelastlightkeepers.com.